What's up, y'all? So a little bit of a late night, but let's get right into it. So I thought I had recorded this video and I didn't, so it didn't get published. But here we go. Anyway, so today we have Powerfleet and it's on the daily time frame, and their ticker symbol is AIOT. So I wanted it to start opening from here and then come down to this level. And then if it wanted to actually come back up here and then continue higher, that's exactly what it's doing now. Once it's doing that now, it broke here, so I would like to see if it's gonna actually like start to break up above, continue, and then like continue upward. So that's what I want to see more up. If it's gonna actually like retest that $4.27 to then head high towards that $5 mark. That's it. If it does end up coming down and breaking past here, I don't see it really coming under this level here. If it does, then obviously we're gonna surpass this low, but I don't see it coming down as far as this low to then continue going higher. Like that's it. So that's as deep as I can see it going. Pause. But yeah, other than that, yeah, I want to see it break, retest either this level, and continue going higher towards that $5 mark. That's basically it. As usual, I like to keep these videos short and sweet. Again, as usual, if you have any questions or have any recommendations of any charts, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, as it lets YouTube know that I'm giving out just, sauce and game. So yeah, if you have any recommendations of anything else, please feel free to also leave them down in the comments. Thank you so much for everyone who is new and subscribing, and also for everyone who has been leaving the likes on the videos. Thank you so much. I greatly appreciate it. Have a good day.